Shalom, fam. It's the last day of Hanukkah, the last day of the Feast of Dedication. I hope you had a great time now, but if you didn't, it's all right. You still have a chance. Last call for Hanukkah. That's right. You can still celebrate this festival. Now it ends that evening now, so you better hurry up. Family, I hope that during this time, we rededicated ourselves to Yah. I hope you rededicated your temple to Yah. I encourage us to celebrate Hanukkah, even though it is not a commanded day to celebrate. It's not a moedim. It's not a part of the appointed times. It's not a moed, an appointed time. It's optional. However, I believe we should celebrate our victories. And if you don't want to celebrate Hanukkah, hey, that's your choice. At least acknowledge it. Don't go out of your way to ignore this special time. Now, there's different ways to celebrate Hanukkah. I did a video teaching the story of Hanukkah. If you like to learn about this powerful story, family, it will empower you. It will light a fire under your ass. It will get you going in the direction you need to go. It's inspiring. If you would like ideas on how to celebrate Hanukkah, I did a live stream on Hanukkah. My wife and I, we celebrated Hanukkah, and we had an amazing time, family. We had a blessed time, and we gave different ideas on how you can celebrate this day. Also, I did another video, 4 reasons to consider Hanukkah. Christmas is around the corner. You don't have to celebrate Christmas. Christmas is pagan. Christmas is not for you. Christmas is not what we've been taught. We've been lied to. Check it. We can replace Christmas with Hanukkah. Now, what you waiting for? This is your chance. This is your opportunity to celebrate Hanukkah. Peace, love, and blessings. All glory, all praises, all kavod to Yah.